Hello everyone, welcome back to Changfied YouTube channel, your trusted source for latest updates across South Sudan and beyond. Today's report focus on three major issues. First, we'll talk about communal violence in Warrap state, where innocent people were killed and injured. Second, we'll talk about heavy fighting in Unity State involving government forces and opposition forces. Third, we'll talk about the political struggle between President Salva Kiir Mayardit and First Vice President Dr. Riek Machar, and the big question everyone is asking, will peace ever come to South Sudan? Before we start with this update, please help the channel by subscribing and turn on the notification bell so whenever we upload a new video you can be notified. Let us start with communal violence in Warrap state. What happened in Gogrial is, in early January 2026, violence broke out in Gogrial East County, located in Warrap state. According to official, 14 people were killed and 15 others were wounded. Some of the injured are in critical condition. The fighting lasted several days. The violence involved two communities, Nyarmong and Jurman Anger. This was not one single incident. It was a series of revenge attacks. How did the violence start? Local authorities say the violence started after a person from Nyarmong Payam was killed by army men. The attackers were not clearly identified at first, but officials believe army criminals were involved. Once the killing happened, anger spread, used pickup guns, and revenge attack began. This is how violence grows in South Sudan. After the first killing, youths from Nyarmong attacked back. They killed the brother of a local chief, two innocent children in Makir village. Later, another person was killed while burying a relative. This shows how deep and dangerous revenge violence has become. One killing led to another. Families suffered, children died, and community breaks apart. Warrap State Minister of Information Mamer Bat confirmed the death. He said the government tried to stop the violence, but clashes continue. Youth move into bushes and remote areas. Security forces face many problems: thick bush, tall grass, and flooded areas. Police Director Brigadier General Mabek Mointoch say it is very hard to reach some areas. Some wounded people may still be hiding. This means the real number of deaths may be higher than 15 or 14. Some victims may not receive medical help. So why does this keep happening? Communal violence in South Sudan is often caused by cattle raiding, revenge killing, weak law enforcement, easy access to guns, and political manipulations. The people are tired, but violence continues because justice is missing. Let's move on. Fighting in Unity State. New clashes in Rukona County. On the same day violence happened in Warrap, heavy fighting also broke out in Unity State. According to the information, the fighting involved SSPDF, government force, and SPLA opposition forces loyal to First Vice President Dr. Riek Machar. The clash happened in Tora Abit, Kubri Jamus, and near oil producing areas. This is very serious. An SPLA spokesperson, Major Kerbino Yai Pazal, claimed their forces captured an SSPDF military base, South Sudan military base in Tora Bit. The area is now under SPLA control. He say we do not target civilian, we only fight in military areas. He also say the fighting started after SPLA bases were attacked and tension is still very high. However, casualty numbers are still unclear. Some wounded fighters may be hiding in the bush. The United States government strongly denied these claims. The State Minister of Information, Nyakenya Johannes Kea, say SSPDF repelled the attack. Government forces are fully in control and calm has returned to Rupkona town. The government also said there is no threat to civilians. Public life is continuing. People should remain calm, but reality on the ground tell a different story. Local residents said fighting happened 2 days in a row. Civilians fled into forests. Families abandoned their home. One resident said, we ran into the bush, we don't know who control what anymore. Civil society activists confirm fighting is real. Leaders must act fast and civilians are suffering. United States is important because it produces oil. Oil money keep the country running. Any fighting there or any fighting here affect the whole nation. Let's move on. Kir and Machar. Why peace is failing. The broken peace agreement. In 2018, President Salva Kiir Mayardit and Dr. Machar signed a peace agreement. People celebrated, people hope war was over. But today, army clashes continue. Opposition leaders face restrictions, and security reforms are not implemented. The peace exists on paper, not on the ground. The main problem is power. President Salva Kiir Mayardit controlled the army, controlled state institutions, and delay reform. First by President Dr. Machar, lead opposition forces, face pressure and restrictions, claim peace is being blocked. Key peace steps that failed: unified army, national election, security arrangement, and political freedom. Without this, peace cannot survive. Is peace possible? The honest answer is yes, but not under the current behavior. Peace will not come if leaders benefit from chaos, like what is happening right now. Peace will not come if guns speak louder than dialogue. Peace will not come if civilians are ignored. And peace will not come when justice is delayed. South Sudan needs honest leadership. South Sudan needs national dialogue. South Sudan needs a strong institution. South Sudan needs international pressure, and South Sudanese need protection for civilians. In conclusion, South Sudan is bleeding. In Warrap state, communities are killing each other. In Unity state, SSPDF and SPLA are fighting again. In Juba, leaders argue while people died. This is not the future people fought for. This is not the independent dream. If leaders do not change, violence will continue. Use will carry gun, and peace will remain a light. At Changfied News, we say peace must come before power. People must come before politics. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to Changfied YouTube channel. Biakamal gwasme ka Changfied YouTube channel to kon kalere bu kon kaling. Ler ban link to kon kalere shub ka diok. Bu kon kaling ka jari pod me. Bana kaling kel kele ken konon ya mi jira majidit gorojin bu subscribe ka bi notification bell bu jetwan ko mete mi ci bari be chwa mala shubi keje. Ler nyam ban lat ban right ka kwi bon dangro te bon jane te ci yet ka Warrap state rawda ban right ka kwi ko dan ci to kam kume SPLA yo ken SSPDF ka Unity state diodien ban right ke siyasa men da kam president Salva Kiir Mayardit ken Dr. Machar. Ken kon nyam please go no jin be subscribe ko video ku jalla ka ku je share ka dire ko ken to nga jaga ku ko dan ci to waje tigare mu ci to kam jidori ka jang ka Warrap state dor danen be self kem yaditen waga jen pay kele me ka tugde ronkin daro janang ron bakele me wachi kormidi te to dor shalke gogreal east county ka Warrap state ka jo chala da official ken kere kur dan ci to ke ne to wan che nak ne dangwel ngwan cha kana gre kur mo ya ne dangwel die cha mo ka boti dit wata na te critical condition wata kan bor dit lo de yi ken da ni jen wan kur je tignin ane de kontin nyen waga tugdul dangro dor michal ke tugdul michal nyarmong ka tugdul michal jurman anger na menisi incident kel ki chire kel a serious revenge attack lo luj nano din ke de control no shul karodian arama naka den biram bilo chul baram ba chul baram bala naka nere konte ko bombre wicin bin mi kala do nene kor to ga gwami mo charan nyarmong payam chaje nak ene ti ki wona te ka match kene nakaran wa kana kon ngaje no ka ngane you know officially chikan ngaje no ne kon nakana ne kon en chal ke no army criminal ti nakana loro ba wa ma charan chan ne ka wa chilo na ti chujek yu ngane ore ni mo ka match yu kare venya attack chu kan yu to lo tul kan ne kien jen do badana to kor kaje ka jo ran chalat kenyam ngane nyarmong chuken kamak gwade dana chike tokten kachwa damaram kwarkie de kono cholono daman wudu mala kuer la local chief ya daman chwa jenak kachwa ne dangro gade tiene ya mu ko bot to mu shale makar village ka kore chwa ralin chwa nyom manakaje akonya ne ran kiram mo la ran wat kade chwa ne gon wen mo jen do dana chilia yu to kam jana korodien man bi ngai gwata me wa dorin bi mi te ka jwaade ditelo nyen kan karodien ka jang nyen karodien ka chala report no de chinei atung wan yi ken chike tesnen chinmen cha ngai gwada mene kan ere to kan de sho wel ngwan kan e kon cha nak re kur ken kan jang karodien re wichin bi mi gwad me ngai kon o koru kan go we so nyu to kon ode jang chike re lin ba karodien don me kel me di yan lin ka jodan chalat kija police director brigadier general Mabek moin touch chala do nena be jelung no de ne to de control ko wa dorien te ka nyoch kete ka tongwan lo na ko re dor ken gwata kon te katin man non ko rilung keter reading chir mangai kon ken riven kelling gwala ran jen bo gra din bo ko kan ki don charan chana kan bi da mor bi chol ken one dial te ka lungo no bu mej bi ken ngamal jek nyok tan yen bo la jena theater la political manipulation to ken kon la ko la kan go community chana roi gwas me ka kudan ci togre wiki unit state dor shal ke rup kona county ci kurche tokten non unit state ka jodan chalat kurtu ka kam SSPDF kana kuma SPLA SSPDF South Sudan People Defense Force a government force ke de ni government SPLA Sudan People Liberation Army ka opposition force setipin vice president Dr. Machate Ndurgon kur moja to gwaden chwal ke tora bit kana kubri jamus tiek oil production area kan gwada kon ci kurche tokten ka jo chala TSPLA spokesperson wonu chala major kabina yai pazal chala do nena ajani ci dini ken ci ga dini SSPDF military base kana ka dar shal ga tora bit ke tora bit kana ci dini SSPDF cha ga anteme ne re kon te control e kume SPLA kene konte ko control chikala do ne kan SPLA kan chikan target civilian kan nyenye kan ke military ne karodi ke military they are fighting in military areas ala nyenye kan gota konte base ne SSPDF tegatin but kan chikan target ne la community ke civilian chikala do ne kume SPLA chikana tok ko bikan de ne SSPDF bikan kamak kan let kan me ko koru me dane chaga mo ga dine SSPDF jane kan ku kan le rerin tama are ko dane ci tuwa wa kurje tuwa ce ne mena IDP camp kur mo kan pig dane ci tes ni ken ko chamu ga bot kan pig din kan lat ban na ngon ke watana dong charen to re ruop ko kor wa kor mu jiche kor mutot United States government she can deny the no can we can kef ko chala no shabinte ton chaje kef State Minister of Information Sheikh Muchal Kenya Jonas Jonas Care chala wona na SSPDF chicken di SPLA chicken ke George government force can take a full control dung bentio town can cha kam cha return lo on tamatel Muchal ko react government karwany mo chicken la can there's no threat to civilian lo tel ramit yap near kola George can public life is continue wona na ho we tel milare and that people should remain calm gor tiga nano de run palpin ko telekor but meritin right now malat kontok the situation on the ground tell different story ko kortetin and find local resident gala do korche to ya to niga konin dang roden paiwe cho to pan kane wale akon mi dilong chi kon tot chinere wan chi gien charen bare which kabintu town chinaring kai DP camp Civil society group chikana condemn manan chito ko dor cha tok ne dial chiga badre which ko which aje ka kuma SPLA ko joran chalat ya dine SSPDF cha ka joj anyok kwerdan and ka which chal justice rek bim top chala do jani cherin ka unimis ka joran chalat na me de yenaling mar dina ban nyok bukwen kono gwasme bala manana to kam kirmi yadit ken darkmachar ko kimala ke 2018 President Salva Kiir yadit kana darkmachar shi mali kana ta income dien that peace agreement the korundang de choja kapcho binere want you can take ngat ko bi mal beben but ka kore en walle murai kone e kore nyok mulo jeten ci dine SSP de ko dine SPLA yo ci ko ci gen nyok muto kana no man non korjene Kiir yadit kana no ba unify force ba jelatlet ko ne jene kende ko de latka ko Kiir yadi jiram dan kurdi al ku control jen ku army ku control la dinye jen ku state institution jen ku control enam lat ka moni kari form te kon jen ku delay ke jaka jabum ko char blalet gwan me dakma char jiram dan te SPLA force jiram dan cha nugo lede cha goro te der lat anyok cha peace agreement dan cha tan cha ja block Kiir te ron wana kan lat te jak kuma ko chebe kamal manyam unify army kan lat madinye den da kama charken dini ga Kiir kan national election ngoro kan lat queen kware security arrangement ko kan e ko na ngi de ga da gon to gol ta to kan kalat anyok bo political freedom bo kan ka kon lat kediti ko de ran der lor mi ko chit ke da kama cha der jalan go within der within but cha lu nga cha lu Kiir mi yadi so tele ring chatel gwa witten so without this peace charge de peace cannot survive me pen karan pen gi jaltel gwa witten chedem to chala do peace will not come mal chebben my leader benefit from chaos material mo to ku kwara jen go ku la benefitin wa chi mal mo chedeben mal chede to gwa da dan en cha prefer ne kurmenni ka ode na de kawach malche de ben gwami mo kwa civilian ke je kwa ke not tel mu chal ke tong malatke so de dial latke ne kayne chire ki la no ne chire ma char che malche de lok baram dan lung malanga e fonde en self ke mi yati jaram dan ko mal ko lok ka gor je no kwer bala onas ba mar ba jenok chit karwach la dialog be international pressure bo be jenok mu cha jogo no jil no mal be no mo baray na ci Kiir mi yati dial te che kano jen do ba dan en pen malu be bere wi ka South Sudan gwam ngai kon dial entam reng ma cha tere te jen lokaje chirma na ngai kone gor Kiir o dere je yen kana mo e wait weekend the SPLA baray na ci SPLA ci ka chirma ci kono ling kana bi ka kor be geneter ka bi ka jen bi ka we ka juba ka mana cha order reken cikana ay gane jogode cine goro wote ke civilian be jal ke di nikel cine gurba and wote ke civilian be bro da mare kore me kon cine target civilian we are targeting only military base goten kon tinde de ni SSPDF ten kana police ne cikan ji SPLA ayo dial kane jogo no ne to akwak civilian sho aka kan to akwak ne dial atel kwang ba kan ke nyok chwa na chwa target na mo me cha yor pinyakan akene la dien wo bi Canadian kontila de ni SSPDF kene de ni ten kon la police ni akene kon mi kan ga target akalat kenen wo the first vice president de jalun ka kuje mo don jende ko der kulo chwo so challenging you state already right now take under control of SPLA chang man chala de kume ku kan gangnaje reality we chaje kevanga kume SPLA ne di alchig we kai DP camp chire Jordan chalat but pegen chit ted nien ke chiliu kana kolat so ne me ajana na godi nya konkel an ban nyo jek keri pododien yatega mal bye bye